and gentlemen, it's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, October 23rd, 2022. Just leaving the house, heading over to a service call in Hewlett Harbor. That's right, Hewlett Harbor. We're going to a Russian oligarch's house. Yep. So when they tell me, Mike, I need you, they ask me to jump. I ask how high. But you want to know the real reason why I'm smiling? Because of people like you, the true supporters out there, and I'm just so blessed to have such an amazing platform and an amazing community. It's really, really amazing. But I'm also really happy because in 3 days in a wake-up, me and Mrs. Pipe, the pipe nurse, we're heading over to Atlanta, Georgia. We're going to spend half a day at the Porsche Experience Center, where it's been a long road, about 16 months since I've been talking about it. The Porsche 992 Turbo S Cabriolet. Check it out. It'll be on Mikey's Garage channel right up in there. Here, click on that. Subscribe, please. Really appreciate it. Anyway, we're going to this service call Sunday morning. Emergency service call. Mikey Pipes, we're leaving for Russia tomorrow. You have to come now. Come now. I got you, bro. I got you. Smash that thumbs up button. You know it's going to be epic. Okay. Hi, King. Good morning. Good morning, King. Good morning. Is anything, what's broken?
Broken?
Just checking everything?
Can you do just look up? Can you please?
What?
Hey, wait.
Leaf King.
We need switch on heater.
Sorry?
And cold stuff doesn't work.
Cold stuff, well, we know the cold stuff doesn't work.
Yes, yeah. Still.
I start with, here's the thermostat. Well, that didn't really work out as planned. Tell me, help, emergency. I'm sorry, I should have translated Russian, and I don't know. Maybe there's a language barrier issue here, but she needed maintenance done on her 2 Burnham boilers and her 17,000 zones of heating in the house. So I spent a hot little minute there and gave her the old once-over. Give all, hey, how you doing? I mean, I can't even impersonate that, even if I tried. Anyway, while I was putzing around with these ladies... Anyway, while I was putzing around with this lady's 2 boilers, an emergency service call came in Rockaway Beach. Ultra 3, $2.99 or $3.99? I think it's a $2.99. They have a display module error and wanted to know if I had the parts in my truck. What you think, bro? What you think, bro? Of course I got the parts in the truck. I stock some crazy shit like that. I got the U control, that very expensive control board. I got the display module, that very expensive display module. I got everything, bro. I got everything. So I'm gonna go over there because they're paying round trip travel at a very high rate, double time. Well, a little more than double time, like double and a half. And we're gonna put these parts in. And this guy doesn't know how to drive. Hey, wake up. Wake up, sunshine. Don't you know how to drive? So stay tuned. Because Sunday is fun day. Cha-ching, baby! Cha-ching! All right. Here we are. By the way, it's it's going to be a shit show when you have cucarachas. I turn the light on. Where did the Cucaracha go? A la Cucaracha. Oh, there it is. See him? Right there. There he is. Cucaracha. Cucaracha. You don't want to eat in a place when you find cockroaches in the kitchen area. No bueno. All right, so here is that Weil McLain. Got some lockout info here. Let's go back, and the display is kind of jacked up too. We're gonna change that, but to get into contractor mode, we have the up and down arrow buttons. We're gonna hold that down. Come on, baby. There we go. Contractor menu. Let's do some, oh, it stinks in here, by the way. Errors. Okay. So we have some problems here. Let's go back. It's very, very dimly lit. There are no screws in the bottom, so I'm gonna just take this whole front cover off. We'll bring it over here. Hopefully we don't find any cucarachas. No cucarachas, okay. So, I wasn't joking about having the parts in the truck. There's a reason why, and I don't really get much slack from my clientele. But I do hear once in a blue moon, and this is one of the main reasons why I don't talk about pricing. If I have a part in my truck that the direct cost of that, well, let's say the purchasing cost, the purchase of acquisition, the cost of acquisition, let's say that part is $500, right? And I'm selling it for $1,250, right? The parts on the truck, that's why. I'm not Amazon. I'm not a supply house that you have to drive to. I am the supply house. My supply house is on wheels, and I'm bringing it to you, right? And that's where you deliver value, right? And when you factor in cost of overhead and running a business, you come up with a selling price. And I'll come up with a series. I'll do some videos on this on how to properly mark up your pricing. But until then, let's work on this Ultra 3. All right, I took out the old board. Looks like they were smoking something here last night, huh? Took out the old board. You see a lot of discoloration around the edges, possibly an overheating condition. Fuse still good, but nonetheless, I have my new board in place. New display is in as well, and it's very dimly lit. This bulb is really putting out bupkis. But before I plug in the low water cutoff, right, it has a plug there, a bypass plug. I'm just gonna cycle the machine and take a look. There's no real pressure on this thing either. See that? Pressure gauge is pewy, nothing. Let's see. No, there's pressure in there because I just popped the relief valve. See? So that temperature and pressure gauge is no bueno, and we could change that. I have it in the truck. It gets wired into right there. And, oh, that's why. It broke off, see that? Look. All right, let's turn on the boiler. Let's see what we get. Please wait. System wait. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, we're at $2.99. Okay, circulator's kicked on. It's a good sign. All my supply, return, outdoor air sensor is not attached, but my supply sensor and my return sensor are attached. We're going to continue. We have a lockout error there, I see. It's not cool. Lockout. Open limit. Open limit lockout. Okay, I wonder what limit that is. I wonder if it's my low water cutoff string. So let's plug that in there. Okay, let's do a manual reset. Okay, pre-purge. Tits, ladies and gentlemen, tits. Yeah, I like putting a lot of things on my mouth. What are you gonna do about it? Maybe smash that thumbs up button. Do it now. Smash it. What are you waiting for? All right, I am going to enter the contractor menu, holding that up and down arrow, and we're gonna do some settings. All right, let's do some set date and time stuff, and get the show on the road. All right, so it's, I don't know, 15 minutes after 11, still the 23rd of October 2022, and man, I'm just loving life, loving life. You know, got the control board in, got the display module in, and we got hot water to the Airbnb tenants upstairs. There's 18 of them up there, by the way. Feels great, feels amazing. Teep, teep. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 11:55 in the morning. Got the job done, and they paid the equivalent of 2% of the 922 Porsche, which you are going to check out on Mikey's Garage. Link up in the description box above to the channel. Please check out my channel. Please check it out. I appreciate it in advance. All right, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me yap my fat trap on a Sunday morning. Now Sunday afternoon. But I thank you so much for the support. Really appreciate it, guys. Wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be going to South Carolina without you guys either. Hope you have your boots tied, your pants pulled up, you got your belt on, because we're gonna have a great ride together. All right, catch you on the next one. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.